parts of an expression. So first, what is an expression? An expression is it's just our math phrase. It's a phrase in math that has numbers and variables. And the most, how we know it's an expression is that there's no equal sign. When there's an equal sign, it's called something different. Sign, not psi. So we are not going to be solving for anything. There's no equal sign. Not solving. I'm going to write that down and put 2 exclamation points. So if you are asked to simplify an expression, do not write x equals a number. Okay, we're not solving for anything. You can't just add in an equal sign when there's not an equal sign. All right, so let's look at some parts of these. So we can see that this is an expression. There's no equal sign. And we got some variables and some numbers. So let's look at the variable. So this right here and this right here and this right here are what we call our, can't see that. I'm going to mess your screen up a little bit. Okay, these are our variable terms. And this means it has a variable. Simple, right? And our variables are generally our letters. They're represented by our letters. X's are very common, especially in algebra. But we could have A, Y, Z, Q, whatever letter. We've got 26 of them that we want to choose from. It's important to make a note right here that this variable is just a number that we don't know yet. We don't know. That says don't know. That's all it represents. It represents a number that we don't know yet. Okay? Then we have our coefficients. Excuse me. Coefficients. And this is just the number in front of the variable. So I've underlined them in orange on my screen. I underlined with these that operation in front of it because that travels with what comes after it. So if I want to know the variable term here in the middle, it's negative 5x, and my coefficient is negative 5. It's not just that 5. That negative sign is going to travel with it. And if there's no number, then it's an understood one. So if instead of 4, this was just, let's see if I can cover it up, plus x, then that would be plus 1x. That would represent 1. All right, and then our other part of our expression is our constant terms. Constant term. And this is just our numbers with no variable.